Hey folks, here is your second video that I just wanted to walk you through. Couple quick things. One of them is that I put the Mean Genes textbook on Schoology for you. And so if you look at the Schoology page, you'll notice that that's the only thing on there right now. All right. And they are organized by unit. All right. So there's all different units here. And they also notice that you've got like page numbers in here. So you can take a look that way as well. So if you think, oh, I need to go to page 131 to do my payroll, right? That's in between 119 and 144. And it'll pop up as like 138%, which for me is kind of annoying. It's a little bit bigger than I want it to be. So I can just make it a little bit smaller. That's better. All right. And I find I'm going to scroll until I hit page 131 here. And I found it, right? So there's my federal withholding. That's the page that I need to find. So pretty straightforward. That's where the textbook is for whatever you need it for. If the page numbers are a little off, remember you might just have to look by unit. If you know, well, I'm looking for something in shipping or services, right? Then I look in that section. If I'm looking for something to do with like making a service invoice or a purchase order, then you know that you're looking in unit 4, right? Then, so that's that on the textbook. The next thing that I want to show you here is that you can take a picture with your Chromebook if you want to here. So I'm just going to show you this video quick here. He does a good job of showing you what to do here. He's got, so you'll notice that the first thing that you do on your Chromebook is you find this little starter pad, all right? And you'll click on that. It shows all your apps on your Chromebook. Okay? And again, this is only if you don't have a camera on your phone. If you do have a camera on your phone, great, use that. It's going to be a lot easier. You can just upload it to your drive. But he clicked on the camera icon there, and then notice that that light will kind of shine there, right? And you'll see yourself in the camera, and you can just hold whatever it is up to the camera and take a picture of it. All right, so that's how you do that. Next, I want to talk about the files that I sent all of you in your emails, right? So you've got all of the files that were on your computer on here, all right? If you're going to use something that's a PDF, you can just click on it and then scroll through it, right? If you're going to use something that is a Word document, you can click on it and open with Google Docs. All right. And if you're going to use something that is an Excel file, like let's say that you're going to do your payroll register, you click on it, and then again, open with Google Sheets. And it will allow you to make changes here, right? So if you haven't done your payroll register yet, you can do it on here if you want to. Some of you are like, oh man, I already did it, but guess what? You're done with it. So if you haven't already done it yet, and then for your second payroll register, that'll happen on July 27th, you can do this, all right? So if I'm the denim maker and I know these two guys are running it, right? And I'm gonna put in my information here. If I know that LeBron James makes, like, let's say $19.25 per hour, I put that in. Let's say that I know that he worked 80 hours. His overtime hours were 4, right? And how you find all this, remember, is on your time cards in the business forms, right? So if you're not sure where to find something, okay, you'll find it in the business forms if it's like something that you need to download, right? And then you'll find it in the operations manual if it's something that you're like, oh, I need to find this, all right? So that's where those time cards will be. All right, lastly, if you haven't picked up your operations manual binder yet, I'd like you to do that so that way you can get rolling on this stuff here. So when you're like sending stuff, remember you're just going to take pictures of it and send it via email. Do not forget to CC me on each of those emails. The only thing I need from you by tomorrow, right, or by your next class time, is I need you to send me check register, cash book. Okay, just to review, just need those two things. All right, and then we'll get rolling right away with July 16th on your next class time. All right, we'll see you then.